Three.
Ryan, you were pretty fast because you didn't have a goal.
Legs are laying.
Do it for Emily.
No! Don't tell him that. Do it for the video that will show your dad. Shouldn't be making him laugh. Good job, Zach.
Looking good.
You're not stuck yet, so you're good. Oh, go back around. Go under. Go under the other way.
See, but everyone else can figure out on their own.
Shut up, Ryan. You didn't have the problem that I did.
It's because I'm smart enough not to.
Has nothing to do with brain, Brian.
Yeah, it does. Simple geometry, really.
Strike a pose.
He is.
Good job, Zach. You got it.
Nice.
Grab my rope. How much does it weigh you if you're holding on to it?
I can walk backwards like Ryan did.
Nice. See what happens? Are you writing down? Yep.
Good job, Zach.
Alright, go ahead. What was your goal? 145. You wanna know your time? Yeah. 138.
Yeah.
Where's that?